Go back up. Take your time. Go on up, man. You hear that? The side man say pinch him again. Ah. Jason. Yo, man say he can't see no tire, not even truck tire. Yo.
Step back, man. Come on.
Alright, Jason, you ready to blow it off? Jason. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Jason, go on. Yeah. People, remember, so the truck are going to come front way when it complete the reverse. You see what I'm talking about? Hey! Tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this is dangerous. Stand clear all the time. Yo! Alright, come through, Jason, come through, because we don't really know what's going on. Alright, finish. Alright. Dirty wine, your can, open that up, dirty wine.
Come on, what's the fun? Jesus Christ. Put up my chauffeur though.
Timekeeper, come in, report. Paper, what do you know? Say a thief truck, eh? In a thief truck. Alright, we have a winner. Yo, Anif. Yo, Anif. Yo.